Hey guys, it's Brad and the Buff. I got my buff on my head. I'm ready to go. Today I am out with my family up at Spruce Knob. I'm down on the Huckleberry Trail. We just came in a little bit of a ways. The campgrounds are crazy. So we're not exactly like hoofing it out here. We're only, I don't know, 300-400 feet from the parking lot, but we got our tent set up. Nice little campfire here. I got some family meeting me, and we're going to do a bunch of fun stuff this weekend. I'm going to get it all on video, and I can't wait to show you guys what we got going on for this weekend. That is beautiful. Pretty awesome. It's beautiful out. Let me give you a quick tour of our camp, of our tent here. I brought my teepee tent just because it's so large on the inside. I didn't bring my stove because it's obviously summertime. But inside here, who we got? Oh, there's Gideon. He's got his pad there. I've got my pad behind us. And there is my wife, Lacey, and my other son, Dante. Yeah. And they've got this bigger mattress right here. So we're just like kind of hanging out in the teepee tent. We all got our own spot. So as you can see, we can all fit in here pretty comfortably and even store some gear right behind us. We're about to catch a sunset from the highest point in West Virginia. We're up here at Spruce Knob. I'd say we have maybe 15 to 20 minutes. So we're gonna go see if we can watch it from the tower. But it is awesome up here. Got the family getting ready to hunker back in and get the trail, get you at the top. Go get Gideon. Yeah, there'd be people up there. Check out that sunset. Highest point in West Virginia. And the sun's just kind of slowly going down. We got maybe 5-10 minutes and it's going to be down, but it is just glowing red. It is beautiful. We just did a little hike on the nature walk, and we're just going to settle in, check this out. You having fun, Dante? Yeah? Yeah. You see the sunset? What's the sun doing? Yeah, it's turning red. Okay, we'll settle in. We enjoyed a pretty stellar sunset. It's just, it's gonna get dark here in a minute. So people told us that, I guess the comet's out, so we're gonna try to check that out probably tonight. Gideon had fun trying to catch a rabbit over here, and so we're just hanging out. I got the rest of my family coming in. We got some cousins coming in, so we're kind of just hanging out waiting for them. And then we're going to head into the campsite. Hey guys, we got everyone together. We're getting ready to do dinner. So here's the campfire. There's Gideon. And in the...
So that's something, the guy on Shark Tank who actually pitched that idea, and I believe that's his licensed product.
So this is my cousin Ellery cooking dinner.
Hey!
There we go.
This is the carving station.
We're carving.
What would you like? Medium, well done, rare.
We got steaks and some mac and cheese. And we got all our kids out here. It's going to be an awesome night. We're just kind of settling in. So catch you guys in the morning. Hey guys, it's morning here. Already done my coffee, but we're making breakfast and we are doing it in a Dutch oven. Ellery is got the man with the plan here. So what do we got going on?
We have all-in-one pot breakfast, sausage, potatoes, eggs and cheese, and a lot of love.
It's a huge crock pot, or not crock pot, jeez. Dutch oven.
14 liter large Dutch oven.
And we're just hanging out. Everybody's kind of just doing their thing, sitting. It's once again, we're up here at Spruce Knob. We're just down Huckleberry Trail and just enjoying a beautiful morning. Check this out. Came out awesome. Ellery did an amazing job dishing. Thank you, Ellery.
Okay.
Check it. Check it. Down the swimming hole just below Seneca Rocks. Pretty sweet swimming hole. Just gonna do hang out here at the rocks and just go swim for a bit. So should be a good day. It's beautiful out. It's nice and warm. It's probably somewhere in the 80s, and so this water's clear, and we're gonna have fun running around in it. Okay, we're leaving the water area. We're going back up to camp where we're gonna make dinner. But we just enjoyed swimming for the day. Did everybody have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. How'd you get in?
Camera, please edit this up.
We had a good time. We're heading back out. This is the Huckleberry Trail access off of the top of Spruce Knob. This is where we've been going in to get to our backcountry site. But you can see there's a little parking lot here. You just take Huckleberry Trail and you just go right down the trail, and there's some sites just in. Firing up some bacon now, cooking breakfast. This is day 2 morning, and or I guess day 3 morning. We're going to head from here out to the cave. We got some cooking to do. Last night we made some awesome apple cobbler. I wish I'd have filmed it, but hopefully I can get some clips from somebody else. But we're going to get packed up and get ready to head out of here.
Packing up can be the least fun part of any camping adventure, but when you're with the right group and everybody pitches in, it makes it come with ease. We had a great time in this campsite, and we were lucky to find it. Everywhere was full, and it just seems like this summer a lot of people are out and about that typically aren't. But this was centrally located not far from Seneca Rocks swim hole that we went to, but also not far from the Sinks of Gandy, and we were within walking distance of the hiking trail on top of Spruce Knob. It was fun and wonderful.
Getting ready to do the Sinks of Gandy. We're up at the parking area, and we're getting ready to hank down over. So we'll be down there here in a minute. This is the trailhead down to the cave. I'll see you guys at the cave entrance. You come across this, and there's a little trail that takes you down through this field. Hey guys, as you can see, we are at the Sinks of Gandy entrance. We came down a short hike. We're gonna go in. I'm probably not gonna get a lot of shots in there because it's gonna be pitch black. But here's the Sinks. This is a beautiful area of West Virginia, and the weather's just been fantastic. We are just really loving it out here. But we're gonna make a run through. I think it's about 3/4 mile, and we'll see you on the other side when we get out. Hopefully alive. Just made it through the cave. It was a muddy adventure, but the water was way down, and so no big deal. There's just a little mud at the end. Really fun being down there. We saw a snake. We saw some fish. I call it crawdads. So all kinds of cool things, and we're just gonna make our way back out to the cars. Come on, up. You got it? You got it, come on. We got this hill. Ooh, good job. Oh. Good job. Climbing. Climb. Come on, get in. Your brother's climbing.
If a 3-year-old can.
That's because he's tinier.
I don't know if that's how it works.
He keeps holding a book.
We can fit in more places.
You got brother?
I got you. Are you gonna help me? Okay, wait, Snuggles. Snuggles.
Come on, Gideon, climb.
Up the hill.
Come on. You got it. One more bit thing. Come on. Good job. Climb, climb.
The West Virginia mountain wildflowers really catch your attention, with their various colors ranging anywhere from white, blue, violet to a deep red. I love catching the fields just filled up with the mountain flowers.
Check out these mountain views up on top of this meadow. How cool is that? Beautiful day. Look at those clouds. He's heading back to the cars. Hey guys, if you liked the video you just saw, please subscribe, click the bell so you can get alerted for any new videos that I may do. And check the links below for any information I described in the video. I'll try to put as much there as possible. Thanks for watching.